Hi guys, in this video we'll talk about how to fix App Store cannot connect to the page or couldn't load inside your iOS 18 or iOS 29 inside your iPhone. So how can you fix that? First of all, if you open the App Store and make sure that you are using the internet. If your internet is not working properly, make sure to change your Wi-Fi to data or change your Wi-Fi connection, turn it off and turn it back on. Once you do that, try to load it again if you still face the issue. So next option is, what you can do is just go back inside your iPhone and just search date and time and make sure that your date and time are correct. If your date and time are correct, after that the next thing, if they are wrong, correct it. And once you correct your date and time, restart your App Store again and try it if your problem is fixed. But if you still face the issue, so what you can do is just go back inside your settings of your iPhone, scroll down, go inside general and scroll down and just click on this option, transfer or reset iPhone. And once you click on transfer or reset iPhone, just click on the first option, which is called reset, and just click on reset network settings. Once you click on reset network settings, it will basically reset all the settings related to your network, your Wi-Fi, your data, like all the errors inside your the settings related to the internet. After that, you can also restart your iPhone once and hopefully restart your App Store and your problem will be fixed. So that is a simple and easy process of how you can do that.